How to fix Facebook error problem. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have to open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down, click on storage. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop, click OK, and now you have to back to your home page. And what's next you need to do, you have to restart your phone. After this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.